Before we start our journey to the end of time, let us first arrive in the present moment. Lie still. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the mattress. Imagine a wave of warm, heavy relaxation starting at the top of your head. It flows down to your eyes, relaxing the tiny muscles around them. It flows down to your jaw. Unclench your teeth. Let your tongue rest gently. Feel the wave moving down your neck, into your shoulders. Carry the weight of the day no more. Let your shoulders drop. Down through your arms to your fingertips. Down through your chest. Notice your breathing, slow, steady, like the tide of an ocean. Down to your legs, your knees, and finally your toes. You are now completely still. You are adrift in the cosmos. Now, we are ready to look at the sky. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw relax. Tonight we are going on a journey. Not to a place on earth, but to a time far, far away. We are going to travel to the very end of time. It sounds scary, but it is not. It is the most peaceful moment in existence. It is the moment when the universe finally rests. Right now, if you look up at the night sky, it seems busy. There are stars burning bright. There are galaxies colliding. There is energy, heat, and life everywhere. The universe is currently in its youth. It is vibrant. It is loud. But this will not last forever. Like a candle flame that slowly flickers out, the universe is gradually getting tired. Tonight we will watch that candle fade. We will watch the noise turn into silence, and the light turn into a comforting darkness. So make yourself comfortable. The journey is long, but we have all the time in the world. Let's fast forward. We are moving past the years, past the centuries, past the millenniums. Billions of years are passing by like seconds. As we travel into the deep future, the first thing you notice is the emptiness. Right now, the universe is expanding. It is stretching out like a rubber band. Every galaxy is moving away from every other galaxy. In the far future, about 100 billion years from now, the expansion will be so fast that the light from other galaxies will never reach us. If humans were still alive then and they looked up at the sky with their telescopes, they would see nothing but their own galaxy. The rest of the universe would simply disappear from view, vanished into the dark. We would be alone, floating in an endless black ocean. But inside our own galaxy, things are changing too. Stars are the engines of the universe. They burn hydrogen. They create light. But fuel is not infinite. One by one, the great stars are dying. The massive blue stars explode and vanish. The yellow stars, like our sun, swell up and then shrink into small white dots. In this future era, new stars are no longer being born. The gas clouds needed to make them are all used up. The nursery is empty. Imagine a city at night. One by one, the lights in the windows are turning off. First the street lights go out, then the houses go dark, until finally, there is only one faint light left in the distance. This is what is happening to the cosmos. The universe is turning into a graveyard of stars. Red dwarfs, white dwarfs, and neutron stars. These are the last survivors. They glow faintly, casting a dim reddish light into the void. It is a quiet era. The chaotic storms of the early universe are gone. Everything is cooling down. Everything is slowing down. In this deep future, something strange happens to the matter itself. Quantum tunneling, a process so slow it takes eons, begins to change the composition of the dead stars. Over unimaginable timescales, the atoms in the leftover stellar cores transform. Everything turns into iron. Imagine vast, cold spheres of pure iron, floating silently in the absolute dark. These are the iron stars. They do not shine. They do not burn. They are perfect, cold metal monuments to the stars they used to be. They are smooth, silent, unchanging. If you were to touch one, it would be colder than anything you have ever felt. Trillions of them, drifting apart, never to meet again. Welcome to the era of degeneracy. The universe has changed. The beautiful spirals of galaxies are gone. The stars we knew, the Sun, Sirius, Betelgeuse, they have been gone for a very long time. Now the universe is filled with the ghosts of stars. White dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes. It is a dark place. If you were floating in space now, you would see almost nothing. Occasionally, two dead stars might collide, creating a brief flash of light in the dark. But these moments are rare, maybe once every trillion years. Mostly it is just waiting. Matter is getting old. Even the atoms themselves are tired. Imagine a campfire that has burned down. In the beginning there were tall flames. Then there were glowing red coals. Now there is only cold ash. The universe is cooling down. It is getting colder and colder and colder. There is no more heat to give warmth. There is no more energy to create life. Just the vast, endless drift of cold objects through the void. Let us pause for a moment to understand the scale of time we are in. A human life is roughly 80 years. Civilization is only a few thousand years old. The age of the dinosaurs was millions of years ago. But here, in the heat-death era, a million years is not even a second. If you were to count every grain of sand on every beach on Earth, and for every grain of sand you waited 1 billion years, you would still not even be close to the end of this era. It is an ocean of time so deep that the history of humanity is just a single drop of water. And in this ocean, everything is still. Time passes, an amount of time that our brains cannot even understand. Eventually, even the dead stars disappear. The white dwarfs fade away. The matter dissolves. We have now entered the black hole era. The universe is now a very different place. There are no planets, no atoms, no light. There are only the black holes. They are the kings of the void. They drift through the silence, majestic and terrifying. But even they are not immortal. In this era, time loses its meaning. A million years? A billion years? It is less than a blink of an eye here. The black holes are slowly evaporating. It is called Hawking radiation. They breathe out tiny particles, very, very slowly. Imagine a single drop of water evaporating from an ocean. That is how slow this process is. As they evaporate, they shrink. They give back their energy to the darkness. This process takes Google years, a number with 100 zeros. It is the longest era of the universe. A time of pure silence. A time of pure solitude. Listen to the silence. There is no noise here. There is no rush. There is only the slow, rhythmic breathing of the cosmos. And finally, we reach the end of the line. The last black hole has evaporated. It disappears with a soft burst of gamma rays, a final tiny firework in the dark. And then, nothing. Welcome to the dark era. There is no matter left. There is no gravity. The universe is now a sea of photons, particles of light that have stretched out so much they have no energy left. The temperature is absolute zero. This is the heat death, but do not let the name scare you. Think of it as the great rest. The universe has done its work. It has created stars. It has created life. It has created you. And now it has earned its sleep. Nothing will ever change again. Time itself stops, because there are no events to mark the passage of time. It is a state of perfect, eternal equilibrium. Long pause, perfect peace. No pain, no worry, no noise. Just an endless, calm, dark ocean of nothingness. As you lie in your bed tonight, you are part of this story. But for now, the stars are still shining for you. The universe is still warm. You are safe. Let the vastness of this time comfort you. Let go of your thoughts. They are small compared to the void. Drift into the darkness. Drift into the peace. Good night.